Ladies and gents, welcome to CraftWithAfshin. In this episode, I'm going to make a Reed Diffuser holder. I've already drilled a hole with the 4cm 38mm one, and this is actually 39.4, but I had no other 4cm to get this right, so I just went with the sandpaper and sanded it to 39.5, something like that. It's not that tight, but it's not that loose either. So, but I want this part to be showing, so I can easily take it out. I'm going to get this round with the sandpaper later on, because there's also a little crack here which I will have a CA glue in there and sand it and get it filled in. Okay, I'm going to sand this part will get sanded down to the true, because I don't want to go any deeper. I want the base to be at least bigger than these beads, otherwise I'd have to make them smaller. As you can see, it's sanded to 600. It's nice and smooth now, and I've made sure there's no scratch lines, because it was really easy to tell any scratches on there. So there's none whatsoever that I can spot. So I'm going to apply acrylic lacquer. I was thinking of applying the acrylic sanding sealer, but the thing is, when you apply that, you'd have to take the what you call it, the raised pores off, and I'm sure it will scratch it when I use a 0000 wire wool. So it's actually not a good idea to do that. So I'm just gonna go straight to the acrylic lacquer, because they do say you can use it on the bare wood, but it just takes a couple of more coats. So I'm going to continue this couple of more coats, and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result. There we have it, guys. I'm so pleased how it turned out. It has a nice shine to it, parted off there. So I just skipped these boring parts, so to not waste your time as much. I'm so pleased. Yeah, this this blank had these little bears. I hope I didn't leave any scratches, and as you can see, I haven't. It's very tedious to get all of them out, but I think it's worth doing it, you know, especially when you're applying like a lacquer. It does stand out. Check this out. Nice and fit, no wobbling about, you know, nice and fit. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this gave you an idea, and maybe you want to do the same thing. I appreciate you all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help a lot, and I appreciate all of you who do watch my videos. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Take care.